ChatGPT, please give a crash course on Middle East and Africa with brief history, country profile, leadership, politics, religions, economy, and major issues and latest development status update. The Middle East and Africa, commonly known as the MENA region, is a vast and diverse region encompassing numerous countries with unique cultures, histories, and socio-economic profiles. In this crash course, I will provide a brief overview of the region's history, country profiles, leadership, politics, religions, economy, and major issues. History. The Middle East and Africa have a rich and diverse history spanning thousands of years. The region has been home to numerous ancient civilizations, including the Babylonians, Persians, Greeks, and Romans. In more recent times, the region has seen colonization, wars, revolutions, and political upheavals. Country profiles. The MENA region comprises 19 countries, each with unique profiles. 1. Algeria. Algeria is located in North Africa, with a population of over 44 million people. The country is known for its rich cultural heritage and diverse geography, including the Sahara Desert and the Atlas Mountains. 2. Bahrain. Bahrain is a small island nation located in the Persian Gulf. With a population of around 1.6 million people, the country is known for its oil wealth and strong economy. 3. Egypt. Egypt is located in North Africa and is one of the most populous countries in the region, with a population of over 104 million people. The country is known for its ancient history, including the pyramids and the Sphinx. 4. Iran. Iran is located in the Middle East and is one of the most populous countries in the region, with a population of over 83 million people. The country is known for its rich cultural heritage, including Persian art, literature, and music. 5. Iraq. Iraq is located in the Middle East and is known for its ancient history, including the Mesopotamian civilization. The country has a population of over 40 million people. 6. Israel. Israel is located in the Middle East and is known for its religious significance as the birthplace of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. The country has a population of over 9 million people. 7. Jordan. Jordan is located in the Middle East and is known for its rich cultural heritage, including ancient Roman ruins and the ancient city of Petra. The country has a population of around 10 million people. 8. Kuwait. Kuwait is located in the Persian Gulf and is known for its oil wealth and strong economy. The country has a population of around 4 million people. 9. Lebanon. Lebanon is located in the Middle East and is known for its rich cultural heritage and diverse population, including Christian, Muslim, and Druze communities. The country has a population of around 7 million people. 10. Libya. Libya is located in North Africa and is known for its ancient history, including the ruins of the Roman city of Leptis Magna. The country has a population of around 6 million people. 11. Morocco. Morocco is located in North Africa and is known for its rich cultural heritage, including the ancient city of Marrakesh and the Atlas Mountains. The country has a population of over 37 million people. 12. Oman. Oman is located in the Middle East and is known for its stunning landscapes, including the deserts and mountains. The country has a population of around 5 million people. 13. Palestine. Palestine is located in the Middle East and is home to the Palestinian people. The country has a population of around 5 million people. 14. Qatar. Qatar is located in the Persian Gulf and is known for its oil wealth and strong economy. The country has a population of around 2.8 million people. 15. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is located in the Middle East and is known for its Islamic heritage and oil wealth. The country has a population of over 34 million people. 16. Syria. Syria is located in the Middle East and has a population of around 18 million people. The country has a rich history, including the ancient city of Palmyra and the Umayyad Mosque in Damascus. The country has been in a state of conflict since 2011, with ongoing civil war and displacement of millions of people. 17. Tunisia. Tunisia is located in North Africa and is known for its beautiful beaches and rich cultural heritage, including the ancient city of Carthage. The country has a population of over 11 million people. 18. United Arab Emirates, UAE. The UAE is located in the Persian Gulf and is known for its strong economy and modern architecture. The country has a population of around 9 million people. 19. Yemen. Yemen is located in the Middle East and has a population of over 30 million people. The country has a rich history, including the ancient city of Sana'a and the Queen of Sheba's legendary kingdom. The country has been in a state of conflict since 2014, with ongoing civil war and humanitarian crisis. Leadership. The MENA region has a diverse range of leadership structures, including monarchies, republics, and authoritarian regimes. Some countries have elected leaders, while others have unelected monarchs or leaders who came to power through coups or revolution. Politics. The political landscape in the MENA region is complex and varies from country to country. Some countries have democratic systems, while others have authoritarian regimes. The region has seen numerous political uprisings and revolutions in recent years, including the Arab Spring in 2011. Religions. The MENA region is home to a diverse range of religions, including Islam, Christianity, Judaism, and various other faiths. Islam is the dominant religion in the region, with the majority of the population in most countries being Muslim. Economy. The MENA region has a diverse range of economies, ranging from oil-rich countries to those with more diversified economies. The region is home to some of the world's largest oil reserves, with many countries relying heavily on oil exports. However, some countries have made efforts to diversify their economies, such as the UAE and Qatar, which have invested heavily in tourism, finance, and other sectors. Major issues and latest developments. The MENA region faces numerous challenges, including ongoing conflicts, terrorism, economic inequality, and human rights abuses. Some countries have made progress in recent years, while others continue to struggle with these issues. The ongoing conflict in Syria has been a major issue in the region, with millions of people displaced and ongoing humanitarian crisis. The COVID-19 pandemic has also had a significant impact on the region, with some countries struggling to contain the virus and others rolling out successful vaccination campaigns. In conclusion, the Middle East and North Africa region is a diverse and complex part of the world with a rich history and culture. The region has faced numerous challenges, including ongoing conflicts, political upheaval, economic inequality, and human rights abuses. However, the region has also made progress in various areas, such as economic development, tourism, and technology. As the world continues to face global challenges such as the COVID-19 pandemic and climate change, the MENA region will undoubtedly play an important role in shaping the future of the world.